like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper house. So let's get started. First we will take a paper and fold it in 3 sections. Open it and again fold it in same way. Again open it and fold little bit from both the ends. Now fold it. Now fold it in triangle from both the side. Open it and now do it like this way. And the box is ready. Let's keep this aside and take red color paper to make roof. Again fold it in 3 parts from both the side. And fold the triangles. Open it from one side and do it like this way. And the roof is ready. And the house is ready. So let's draw windows and doors. And the paper house is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.